All right, traders, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be doing quicker type videos, not even doing an intro or anything like that right now. If you have questions, please comment down below. But I kind of want to push this video out because there's two stocks that I really like over the next few weeks. But specifically right now at this buying point, I'm going to give you the reason, logic, things like that. I've already posted them in Discord, so I'm already in these positions. I have options on both of these. Being fully transparent, I love what I'm seeing. You're getting great movement, but let's get into it. So on Twitter, I announced DoorDash to 180. That's just what my tweet was earlier this morning. I love these guys. So today they announced the new delivery service of an ultra fast grocery delivery service. Now, on first thought, I thought this was going to be basically like Instacart, where you just do your whole delivery, you get it, they come, bring it to you, yada, yada, yada. But no, that is not what they are doing. They're doing a 15-minute or less delivery service in New York City right now, which relies on employees rather than independent contractors. They are kind of splitting up the business now. This is really good, and this probably makes them make more money. So this separate part of their business, imagine let's say you need baby wipes for your baby, right? And you need to get them really quick, obviously, right? So you would use this, and under 15 minutes, supposedly, they would be there. Absolutely crazy. Now, this would also bring down their pricing of how much they're going to be paying their current employees, because they'd actually be employed through them. So they'd probably pay them significantly less compared to what you're seeing like in something like California, where they're really being gouged. And coming back down, you can see more into this. I'll have the link down below. I love what they're doing. They're expanding from just fast food, getting into grocery stores. And I believe eventually they will knock off Instacart and Shipt, the competitors in this specific range. Right now, they're not going straight for the kill. They're doing quick things right now, but they will move into that space. I guarantee it eventually. They will absolutely kill all the other apps. DoorDash is killing it, what they're doing. Right now, this morning, you were sitting at 162. I'm already in options. I'm targeting 170. Likely 165. If we hit it quick enough, I'll probably take some profits because you have a gap fill going on now. But I do think over the next 2 weeks to a month, you could easily start to see a push towards 180, which I know is crazy. Now, 170, I'm constantly taking profits on some of these trades as well as you move up. I'm not just waiting to take them all at once. So take that into consideration as well. But I do think you have lots of room to run. And over the past, you look at the 1 hour chart, you've got absolutely demolished over the past 3.5 weeks, down from 257 down to 162. I think this is definitely a value play. I see it there. I think this news has not yet hit. I think you have massive room to run. And I think this creates more value for the stock. Yes, from a profitability standpoint, they're not there yet. I can do more DD on the company as a whole, but I don't want to spend too much of the video on that. So I like them going up if the market keeps bouncing like it is right now. The next one's going to be Riot, and this is going to be one of the most speculative trades out there, in my opinion. I have to break it down to a 3-minute chart. You have a nice trend coming up, and you're touching that level. Now, Riot had great earnings. They produced almost 480 Bitcoin over the course of November, which is a crazy, crazy number to be mining. And then they got a price target of $52 recently. Now, I believe that was from Deutsche Bank, maybe Morgan Stanley. I could be wrong, but they did get a price target of $52, just so you know. Currently, they're sitting at $28.65, which is terrible, right? But you bounce in this key support range, almost got like a triple bottom right there. And so what I am targeting, I think the safest play is to aim for January 21st for options. However, I'm doing a little bit shorter term as well on these. I do have options here in Riot, and I have options as well in DoorDash. So just full transparency, I am in positions there. Short term, I'm going to be targeting $30.5 to $31, but I easily think you could start running a lot higher towards 34, maybe even 36. The question is this: Bitcoin has not even started bouncing yet, and if you look at this chart, I think it says enough. This thing is absolutely ready to take off. Right now, you're following the indexes, and they've already had that break that Bitcoin has not. So that's why I'm targeting Riot. I think it's an easy money play for myself. I love what I'm seeing. It looks absolutely phenomenal, and I think it's a value play as well. It's absolutely beat up. So if we just look at the 4 hour from those highs, from your highs, 3 weeks ago, 45.72, all-time highs, over $75. That was overvalued, obviously, but just looking at where you're at, this is a pure value play in my opinion. Now, these plays could turn back down if indexes start getting rejected. If they start getting rejected on the Nasdaq, the Dow, things like that, they'll start pushing down, which they're not right now. They're consolidating and bull flagging. If they start breaking down, I will have to get out of these positions. I will not keep myself open to immense amounts of risk. I'm constantly adjusting my positions according to risk. But looking right now, I think you're getting nice bottom buying opportunities. And I think this could continue to run. I also mentioned I do have a little bit of AMC. I have $40 strikes for December 17th. Those are the ones I keep trading. I traded it live earlier. Beginning of the day, I'm live every day, 8:30 a.m. Central for about an hour, hour and a half from market open. And then I'm in the Discord for the rest of the day. But AMC, I think you could easily start pushing to 34, 35 bucks over the next week, week and a half as well. Keep those on your radar. Like, subscribe, do what you got to do. Remember, boys, we win the market.
I got no drip in my pocket. Must have forgot it, or maybe I already lied.